A very good morning to our respected rector, Reverend Father Manuel Mozello, our principal, Reverend Father Flovi D'Souza, our supervisor, Ms. Chavshila Pujare, Sir Cliff Richard, teachers and my dear friends. We the students of class 9A and 9B welcome you to our combined class assembly. The theme of our assembly is, a goal without a plan is just a wish.
We all have dreams, big and small. But how do we turn those dreams into reality? The answer lies in setting clear goals and making solid plans. Today, we are going to explore this important journey.
Let us begin our assembly with a prayer. Please join us in seeking guidance to achieve our goals.
Dear God, thank you for the gift of dreams and aspirations. As we journey through life, we seek your guidance and strength. Help us to set clear and meaningful goals that align with our purpose. Grant us the wisdom to plan our steps carefully and the perseverance to stay focused even when challenges arise. Fill us with determination and courage to overcome obstacles and remind us that with hard work and faith, all things are possible. Guide us to use our talents wisely, to grow each day and to never lose sight of our dreams. May our efforts bring success, not just for ourselves, but also to help others and to make the world a better place. Thank you for your blessings today and always.
Thank you for the prayer. Now let's witness a song presented by our melodious friends.
Now let's reflect on a thought for the day.
A goal set properly is halfway reached. This quote reminds us that when we set our goals clearly, we are already on the path to success.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man whose life teaches us the power of dreams, goals and planning. Dr. Kalam, born into a humble family, dreamt of flying. He worked hard, set clear goals and meticulously planned his education. Through perseverance, he became a renowned aerospace scientist and later on the President of India. His life story shows us that dreams can become reality with a well-laid plan, determination. Thank you.
That's really inspiring. Goals give our dreams structure. Without goals, our dreams remain just that, dreams. Whether it's scoring well in exams, excelling in sports, or pursuing a career, setting specific goals and planning how to achieve them is crucial. Remember, success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Now, we present to you a skit titled Turning Dreams into Reality. This skit shows how setting goals and making plans can help us achieve our dreams.
Scene 1. Dreaming Big. Rahul, Priya, Meera and I are sitting in the classroom discussing their dreams.
Priya, I really want to become a doctor, but sometimes it feels impossible. The competition is so tough.
I understand, Rahul. I want to be a writer, but I don't know where to start. It's overwhelming.
You both have big dreams. I want to be a cricketer, but what if I don't make it?
I love dancing since I was little. I want to be a professional dancer, but the competition is so tough. Yes, having a dream is one thing, but achieving it is another. We need guidance. It's clear that all of us here have a dream, but none of us seem to have a clear plan.
Maybe we need some guidance. Let's talk to Mr. Mehra, a school counselor. He always gives great advice.
Scene 2. Seeking guidance. In Mr. Mehra's office, the students explain their dreams.
It's truly wonderful to see that you all have such big dreams, but dreams alone are not going to get you far. What you need to do is set smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's work on that together.
How do we do that, sir?
Smart goals. How do they help?
Let's break it down. Rahul, your dream is to become a doctor, but what is your specific goal?
I want to be a cricketer. What should my goal be?
Start with something specific. For example, I want to improve my batting skills by practicing for 2 hours daily and joining the school cricket team by the end of the year.
I want to be a dancer. How can I set a goal?
You can start by setting a goal to master 5 new dance forms within the next 6 months or so, and you could participate in a national dance competition in the next year.
I want to be a writer, but I don't know where to start.
Break it down. You can start by writing one short story every month or so, and you could submit your work to a local magazine by the end of the year.
I want to be a doctor, but it seems like a huge, daunting task. What goals should I set?
Rahul, you need to take small, achievable steps. Right now, your goal could be to excel in science subjects. You can attend a medical camp in the summer, and most importantly, you must focus on preparing for your entrance exams within the next 2 years. Remember, the key to achieving any dream is to set clear goals, make a plan, and stay committed.
Scene 3. Implementing the plan. The scene shifts to a few months later. The students are working hard towards their goal.
Mom, I've been following my study plan and my grades are improving.
I'm so proud of you, Rahul. When you create a plan, the likelihood that you achieve success skyrockets. Your plan acts as a roadmap to your success. Once your plan is created, you'll know exactly what you need in order to be successful. Keep it up, Rahul, and you will achieve your dreams.
I have written my third short story this month. I am submitting it to a writing contest.
I am practicing every day and improving my balance skills. I am confident that I will make it to the school team.
I learned 3 new dance forms and will perform at the national competition next month.
The students meet again and share their progress.
It's amazing how setting goals and following a plan has brought us closer to our dreams.
I feel more focused and confident. Planning makes all the difference.
And now I believe my dream of becoming a dancer can really come true.
We all have a long way to go, but we are on the right path.
Scene 4. Success and Reflection. Back in Mr. Mehra's office.
I've heard about the progress each one of you has made. I am so proud of your dedication. What have you learned?
I've learned that breaking down my dream into smaller goals makes it achievable.
I have learned that writing regularly and planning my submissions keeps me on track.
Practice and focus have made me a better player. I'm ready for the next challenge.
Consistency and setting goals have helped me grow as a dancer.
See, each one of you were able to turn your dreams into reality by setting goals, making a plan, and sticking to it. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep setting new goals, and you will keep achieving new dreams.
Let's dream big, set our goals, make our plans, and work hard because our dreams are within our reach.
Thank you, friends. That was really inspiring and motivating. Now let's witness a dance presented by our friends.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर
a wonderful dance. Now let's listen to some simple tips which may help plan and achieve your goals.
Set clear and specific goals. Define exactly what you want in order to achieve it. The more specific your goal, the easier it is to plan.
Break down your goals into smaller steps. Divide your goals into measurable tasks and milestones. This makes the goal easier to track. This makes the goal less overwhelming and easier to track.
Create a timeline. Set deadlines at each step. Creating a timeline helps you to stay on track and maintain focus.
Stay organized. Use a planner, calendar, or digital tool to keep a track of your progress and upcoming tasks.
Prioritize your task. Focus on the most important task first. Prioritizing helps you manage your time and energy effectively.
Stay flexible. Be ready to adjust your plan if needed. Flexibility allows you to overcome obstacles without losing sight of your goal.
Stay consistent. Work on your goals regularly, even if it's just a little bit each day. Consistency leads to progress.
Seek support. Share your goals with friends, family, or mentors, as their encouragement and advice will help you stay motivated.
Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself for completing each milestone. Celebrating progresses keeps you motivated.
Reflect and adjust. Review your progress regularly. If something isn't working out, make adjustments to your plan and keep moving forward.
Let us now witness a dance performance presented by the students of class 9A and 9B. That was truly a mind-blowing performance.
Now I request our supervisor, Ms. Charushila, to propose the vote of thanks.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। चले चलिए कि चलना दलीले कामयाबी है। चले चलिए कि चलना दलीले कामयाबी है। जो थक कर बैठ जाते हैं वह मंजिल नहीं पाते हैं। जो थक कर बैठ जाते हैं वे मंजिल नहीं पाते हैं। सो आई थिंक आज की जो असेंबली है इसी को एक्सटेंड किया है मैंने इन लाइनों में। और इस मंच से सबसे पहले मैं अपने मैनेजमेंट, फादर प्रिंसिपल मिस चारुशीला सर, क्लिफोर्ड, ऑल द फैकल्टी मेंबर्स उन्हें धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि उनके सहयोग से, उनके मार्गदर्शन के कारण हमारे कई सारे विद्यार्थियों ने इन प्रतियोगिताओं में हिस्सा लिया, जिनमें से जो निबंध लेखन प्रतियोगिता है उसके रिजल्ट को लेकर आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। तो जैसे मैं नाम बोलूँगी कृपया आप स्टेज पर आएँ और मिस चारुशीला से सर क्लिफोर्ड से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि वे मंच की शोभा बढ़ाएं। मिस शुभांगी, मिस कैसल्डा, प्लीज ज्वाइन। नाइन्थ बी आरव कटारिया, फर्स्ट प्लेस हासिल किया इन्होंने। आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि तालियां बाद में लास्ट में हम बजाएं। 9B बॉयज सोलंकी सेकंड प्लेस। थर्ड प्लेस हासिल किया है शरण्या तांबे ने। 9C से अनया, 9C अनया फरगुस। फर्स्ट प्लेस इन्हें मिल रहा है। द्वितीय स्थान पर है शनाया फरेरा। तृतीय स्थान हासिल किया है आकाश पाटिल ने। आकाश पाटिल 9D फ्रॉम 9D जेफरी जेम्स पहले स्थान पर है। दूसरा स्थान हासिल किया है कृष्णा ठाकिर ने। तृतीय स्थान पर है परब श्रावणी। Now 10th B students, please be ready. लोधा निवान को मिला है फर्स्ट यानी प्रथम पुरस्कार। द्वितीय स्थान पर है घिरनीकर नीरिजा। तीसरा स्थान गुजारन वैष्णवी। NC students, please be ready. गुरव अक्षरा प्रथम स्थान हासिल करती है। जोएल पपाली दूसरा स्थान हासिल किया है इन्होंने। तृतीय स्थान पर है पिकाडो एरन। नेथन मॉन्टेरो प्रथम स्थान। जेलिना 10C सेकेंड प्लेस, द्वितीय स्थान। एवलिन रॉड्रिक्स तृतीय स्थान हासिल कर रही है। प्लीज बी रेडी। पुष्प पिंपले प्रथम पुरस्कार। द्वितीय पुरस्कार दर्श त्रिवेदी तृतीय स्थान हासिल करते हैं।
So at last हम कह सकते हैं कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करते रहिए।
आप सभी को धन्यवाद मिस चारुशीला सर क्लिफोर्ड को खास तौर पर कि उन्होंने मंच की शोभा बढ़ाई और बच्चों को आशीर्वाद दिया। थैंक यू।
World Funkoshi Shokan Karate Organization had organized the 35th National WSFKO Open Karate Championship. Miss Janvi Parab has been awarded the gold place in the under 15 years age category and was also awarded the silver place in the under 15 years age category. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you, miss. Please remain on stage. Don Bosco High School and Junior College, Naigaon, celebrated their 25th anniversary. On this occasion, they had organized the Don Bosco Fiesta. Our school had represented in the various competitions. And one of them was the inter-school football competition. Our school won the second place. Our students really did well in achieving this place, because I remember they had just lost by a solitary goal in the final with Don Bosco's Matunga. And so let's congratulate the team with a round of applause. We request the team to kindly come on stage for their certificates. We also call Mrs. Alexina to give away the certificates. And we thank Ms. Alexina and our football coaches. Let's give a round of applause for the best player, Master Arav Katare.